How to recover Microsoft account without email. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Microsoft account without email. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on sign in, and once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface that will say trying to sign you in. So here you're gonna type down your email if you already know. However, if you don't even remember your email, what you're going to do is click on can't access your account. So here you're going to select what type of account you need help with. But however, if you do know your email, but you're not able to sign in your email, so you can just click on next over here and then recover your password. But however, if you just don't remember the email as well, like I just told you, you can just click on can't access your account and then just get redirected to another interface. So once you select what type of account you have, for example, personal account, you'll be redirected to somewhere like this. Here you're going to type down your phone number or your email, just like if you don't have an access to email, but if you do remember your email, you're going to type that down over here, or you can type that down your phone number over here. Now I'd say, would you like to get your security code? If you have an access, you can click on I have code. But if you don't have an access, you can just click on I don't have any of these. So just click on that, and once you do so, here you'll be redirected to this page. Now, what Microsoft account are you trying to get back into? You're going to type down your email, phone number, or Skype name. But however, if you don't remember your email, you're going to type down your phone number or Skype name over here. And once you do so, you have to, if you've turned on two-step authentications, then you won't be able to recover your account like this. Now it says, where should we contact you? So you're going to type down another email address to which the confirmatory email and other stuff would be sent to. So you can type in your other email address where you want the news to be sent to. Now here you're going to just copy this code and paste that down over here. So you can just write whatever is here and then click on next. If you're not able to read the code, you can just click on new, or you can also click on audio for the audio code. And once you hit next, Microsoft will start the process of recovering your email. And after that, they will send you a confirmation on the email that you just entered. So all of the things that happened with your account after that will be sent to that email. So that was how you can recover your Microsoft account without email. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.